Do you arrive late every day? Why are you late? Huh? Look at the others. They're doing their exercises. Why are you late? Speak. Look at your hands. You arrived late and dirty like this. It's okay for today, but tomorrow, if you're late again, I'll punish you. Instead of doing your exercises, I'll send you out to dry in the sun. Go on.
In classical Khmer dance, the male roles are danced by women. Koun teaches the girls who are selected for these roles because of their solid physiques. Sre Cha is pretty and delicate, so she could choose a female role. The school's courtyard is immense, but the buildings are cramped, and few of them are suited for dance. During the hot season, it's impossible to do the physical exercises in the poorly ventilated rooms. The covered courtyard is the only suitable place. Several classes have to rehearse together under rather chaotic conditions. Yet this doesn't discourage Koun and the other professors.
God, mưa trong đây. Mưa đi. Đây. Đây cà khâu. Buông mưa cái này cà khâu. Cho crown che cà khâu vậy lẽ. Chẳng nơi trầm đi. Tiếp, mưa trong đây.
I want to become a dancer because I see the beautiful clothes, beautiful jewelry. They dance so well. I want to work even harder to look like them.
Sre Cha dreams of becoming the goddess Moni Makala, the role performed so gracefully by Professor Satya, who is famous for her long and supple, exceptionally elegant hands. When people returned from the Khmer Rouge camps in 1979, Phnom Penh was a ghost town. Thousands of orphans wandered the streets digging in the ruins for food. Today, life has returned. It's thriving, but scars from the tragedy remain. Wretched masses are crowded into precarious hovels along the banks of the Mekong, where Kmao and his mother live.
I don't know how to do much. There's not a lot of work and the wages are low. It's hard to survive. I want my son to go to school so that he knows things. I don't want him to become an idiot like me. He has to know how to find work and take care of himself and not live in hardship like me. When I take my son to school in the fall, I have to buy the authorization to attend school, the supplies. I'll figure it out. I'll find the money so that my son doesn't lack for anything. If I don't have enough to eat, it doesn't matter, so long as my son is studying.
For Kmao's mother, the classes given by the Royal University mean that her son can escape the ignorance and misery that she has always known. Unfortunately, Kmao's notebook is a catalogue of bad grades.
I'm happy my teachers give me homework. When I have problems, I ask my friends. I don't like math very much. Oh, I like it enough, but I don't know how to work out figures. I work hard, like with dance, but I don't get it. I don't understand. I would like to be bigger. I could play the role of the monkey. People would look at me. What I like most of all is the white monkey.
The Royal Ballet performs episodes from the Ramayana. The Khmer appropriated the legendary Indian epic and expanded the role of Hanuman, the leader of the monkey army that helps Prince Rama defeat the yaks, the giants who kidnap the beautiful Sita and hold her prisoner. Hanuman, the white monkey, is the ultimate hero. Endowed with magical powers, he's the idol of young Cambodian boys.
Bạn có chân lên đạp quên slam quên đó đạp slam quên slam bắt tay ở tôi tỉnh đáy bắt ở tôi tỉnh hả hả đấy nè tiền nè buông á anh đang cái dục nhiều hả bác liêm nè đấy tổng quân trường mục ta bắt thấp lưng môi tay đại pot.
The boys play the giants or the monkeys. The yaks are the giants who torment human beings, while the monkeys defend widows and orphans. The choreography is based strongly on mimicking the animal. Kmao is working on his dream of becoming the white monkey.
Phần chân o kích khơi tiết phần chân o nhá sầm la plum bạch chua họ côn họ côn bạch chua